Hey, GarveeHome sent me this big screen TV stand and entertainment center for free, so I'm gonna give you my thoughts. So this is a great size for a big screen TV. This TV is 82 inches and you can see it's wide enough to cover the width of this TV. So I have my TV wall mounted, but we could easily set this stand and it would definitely be big enough. This is 70 inches wide. It's about 20.5 inches tall, and then it's about 15.5 inches deep. I really like the size of this. This gives enough room for all of our devices. I got my surround sound, a speaker in the middle, and then our game system on the side here. This has 3 really nice drawers on the bottom. These easily slide in and out. I like the storage capability of these drawers. We can kind of hide all of our junk, remotes, cords in these drawers, keep our living room organized. This version here is the reddish brown version. There's a few different colors available, so pick whatever you prefer. This is pretty big. It's about 85 pounds, which is a little heavy, but you want that weight to make sure it's nice and sturdy. This thing is nice and solid. I can stand right up on this stand. This is holding right up. I love the option of being able to use this as just an entertainment center and a TV stand. Like I said, we have a wall mount, so we're able to put some decorations, pictures, whatever we want on the top of this. This shipped very nice. There was no damage to the package. Assembly is going to be required for this. It took us about an hour, which honestly isn't too bad with how big this is. There's nice clear directions included, and all you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver. We use the drill for some of the screws. You don't necessarily need a drill, but that'll help installation go quicker. I like how big this is. It's nice and wide, but it's not too deep and it's not too tall. It honestly makes our room look bigger than the previous stand that we had. There's some nice holes in the back of the stand where you can organize and put your cords through. Like I previously said, this thing is nice and solid. There's a lot of supporting hardware on this. I am confident that this is going to hold up for a long time. I like this sleek, simple design. I'm very happy with this TV stand and I think we're going to use it for many years to come.